Hi, my name is Africa and I hope you are keeping safe. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can join your Zoom meetings. This can either be a lecture or a group discussion. I'm going to use a meeting I joined to demonstrate to you on how you can also join your lectures online using Zoom. So I perceived that most of us will be using phones to join the meeting tomorrow. So I'll do that first, and then if there is time, I'll do for those who will be using laptops. So I'm going to show you two ways to join the meeting tomorrow when the time is due. I hope that by now we have all downloaded and installed our Zoom apps on our phones or laptops. If you have difficulty in doing that, you may fall on these videos in this same YouTube channel. Option 1. What you need to do to join the meeting tomorrow is that you go into the WhatsApp page and locate this message, the message that contains the meeting ID and then the Zoom link. So NAS National is inviting you to a scheduled NASNEC meeting on Zoom, agenda and so on. So you locate this particular link in this message, and then what you need to do is to click on it. You click on the blue link. When you click on the blue link, this will pop up if you have installed Zoom on your phone. So what the phone is asking us to do is that it wants to access the link using the Zoom app or Chrome, that's the browser. But you have to select the Zoom app. You can equally use this, but it is not always reliable. So if you have installed Zoom, then you select the Zoom app and click on either just once or always. Any of them will take you there. So Zoom is opening for us. And then it's preparing the meeting. So you'll be asked to enter the meeting password. The meaning is that the person who set up the meeting added a password, and the password is on the page. You can see it right in the message I located on the WhatsApp page. So when you are done, you click on OK and you are there in the meeting. So I'm in the meeting right now. Now, option 2 is that you just open your app drawer on the phone. So this time you won't go into the WhatsApp page, and then you locate your Zoom app. So you launch the Zoom app, and then Zoom is opening for us. Now, when it gets to this point, you don't have to sign up or sign in. You can still join a meeting without an account or without signing into your account. So what you need to do is to click on join a meeting, and this page will come up. So it is asking whether you want to join with the meeting ID or a link. So you can type the number, the meeting ID, which is also in the message here, and then it will take you into the class, or you can copy the link I showed you early on, paste it also here, and when you click on join meeting, it will still take you into the class or the meeting. So I've entered the meeting ID, and then you click on join meeting. All right. Okay, so this may pop up, and then we are asked to input our name here. So whichever name you put here, that is the name someone may use to call you in the meeting. Of course, we might not know everyone on the page. So if I want to call someone to pray, the name you inserted here is what I will see. So if I don't know you personally, I'll call you by that name and tell you that Kojo Amo or Ama Nas, pray for us, if that is the name you inserted here. So you click on OK, and then you'll be asked to input the password for the meeting, and then okay, it's connecting. So I'm in the class. All right, so the two basic things we are supposed to get control over now before the meeting tomorrow are the audio option and then the video option. What happens is that you can choose to be part of the meeting and not allow anybody to see your face. It is not compulsory. So this is what will happen. You just have to click on the video option, and when it turns red, your camera will not be capturing your video, so no one will see your face, but you can still participate in the meeting like you can see on your screen. So you can see that my audio is on, so when I speak we can all hear. Now when you are not saying anything, you are supposed to put your microphone off. So you see that all these things are off, they are all red, meaning that no one can see my face. When I talk, no one can hear. But look at this. If you are using video or you are not using video, what you need to do is that when you are not saying anything and you are only doing the listening, off your mic. What I mean is that mute your mic, so that when someone shouts at where you are, it won't be part of the meeting. What you need to do is to always mute your mic. If you want to say something, what you need to do is to click on it. It will turn white for you to talk. When you are done, you put it off. Okay, for computers, you just have to find or locate your Zoom icon on your desktop. As you can see mine here, you can launch the Zoom app from here. If you don't find it, just search for the Zoom app down here and it will come up or pop up for you to launch. So when you launch it, it will open like this. You click on join a meeting and it brings you here to enter the meeting ID or to copy and paste the link that was given. This is of course the name that will show. Then you take note of these options. Do not connect with audio, meaning that you want your audio to be muted, and turn off my video. You don't want to join with the video. So the other process follows as such, and you'll be asked to enter your meeting password and so on. So everything is the same like we did for the phone. Look at this carefully. If you try to use the link that has been shared in the page to get into the meeting, this is what you'll get. The meaning is that the meeting time is not yet due, so you cannot go into the meeting on Zoom. So the person who set the meeting selected that you cannot join before host, so he has to start the meeting for all of us to join when the time is due. So in my next video, I will be talking about how to effectively participate in Zoom meetings, how to share screen, how to share your PowerPoint, how to share your document, how to even cut a part of a document and share, how to use the whiteboard, how to chat other people, how to chat everybody, and so on. There are other features that